Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Wrangler versus the G-Wagon off-road. We will explore their distinct capabilities, design philosophies, and overall value propositions. Understanding these differences will help you decide which iconic SUV best suits your adventurous spirit and budget. Let's dive into what makes each of these vehicles unique on rugged terrain. The Jeep Wrangler is a true off-road icon, built for raw capability. It offers impressive articulation and approach angles, making it adept at tackling challenging trails. With its solid axles and available locking differentials, the Wrangler provides a direct connection to the terrain. Plus, its modular design allows for endless customization, from lift kits to larger tires, making it a favorite for enthusiasts. The Mercedes G-Wagon, on the other hand, blends extreme luxury with formidable off-road prowess. It comes standard with 360-degree cameras and advanced traction control systems, ensuring confidence on difficult paths. Its robust ladder frame and powerful V8 engines provide both durability and exhilarating performance. The G-Wagon proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for serious off-road capability. Ultimately, choosing between a Jeep Wrangler and a G-Wagon depends on your priorities. If you seek a purist off-road machine with extensive customization options and a more accessible price point, the Wrangler is an excellent choice. However, if you desire unparalleled luxury, advanced technology, and powerful performance in a rugged package, the G-Wagon stands out. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.